You've seen the headlines. You've heard the experts. Will AI take over our jobs? We asked ourselves the same question as we were making this video. So let's start with the facts. AI is already changing work. Customer service chatbots are replacing support reps. AI can write emails, generate images, code software, and even help doctors diagnose disease. In warehouses and factories, robots are automating repetitive tasks. In finance, AI is analyzing data faster than human analysts ever could. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. This is an AI-generated image based on a text prompt. So how does this technology work? Artificial intelligence uses complex algorithms and vast amounts of data to enable machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language or recognizing patterns in data. As AI systems learn and improve, they become better at performing these tasks and can even begin to mimic human creativity and ingenuity. So who should be worried? Well, anyone whose job involves routine, repetitive tasks like data entry, telemarketing, or basic customer service. These jobs are most at risk of automation, but AI won't just replace, it will reshape jobs. For example, instead of replacing doctors, AI tools are becoming assistants, helping with scans, notes, and treatment planning. Same goes for lawyers, teachers, even coders. In fact, by 2030, AI will make us more productive, giving us back time for more creative, strategic, and interpersonal work. Here's how to think about it. Repetitive tasks are on the spectrum. Basic tasks on the left are at high risk of automation. More complex tasks on the right require human intelligence, empathy, and creativity. So which jobs are safe? Roles that require emotional intelligence, human connection, creativity, and nuanced judgment. Jobs that rely on human relationships, critical thinking, and original ideas are much harder for AI to take over. That's your advantage. Now let's look at this from the other side. What can AI not do yet? Well, AI still struggles with things that require emotional intelligence, human connection, creativity, and judgment. It can assist, but it can't replace leadership, empathy, and deep contextual understanding. We believe that the future belongs to those who can harness the power of AI while leveraging their uniquely human strengths. By doing so, we can create a world where humans and AI work together to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. But how can you stay ahead? One word: adapt. Learn to use AI tools in your field, treat them like digital assistants. Build soft skills, communication, leadership, collaboration. Stay curious. Keep learning and upskilling. The people who thrive in the AI era won't be the ones who compete with machines. They'll be the ones who know how to work with them. We hope this video has helped you see AI in a new light. It's not the enemy, it's a tool. And like every tool in history, from the printing press to the internet, it creates change and opportunity. So instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask yourself, how can I use AI to do my job better? We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we invite you to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.